Hello students, good evening everybody. We are in exercise 8.9 integration. Look at this problem. Integral dx by 1 plus 2 cos x, integral dx by 4 cos x minus 1. Same method. Let us take tan x by 2 equal to t. Tan x by 2 derivative secant square x by 2, x by 2 1 by 2, x dx equal to dt. So dx equal to 2 dt by secant square x by 2. From the second identity of trigonometry, secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2. So 1 plus tan square x by 2 as per my supposition, that is t. So dx means we can write 2 dt by 1 plus t square. And wherever we have cos x, that is in terms of tan x by 2, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So that we will substitute now. Integral dx upon 1 plus 2 cos x. So integral 1 upon 1 plus 2 times cos x means I can write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Dx means I can write 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Right? If you simplify this, 1 plus t square will come to the numerator. So 1 plus t square plus 2 times of 1 minus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This 2 gets cancelled. Integral 1 by 1 plus t square plus 2 minus 2t square 2 dt. Okay? Two times integral 3 minus t square. 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. So dt. What is the form of this formula? Integral 1 by a square minus x square dx, that is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So this we can write 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. But in the place of t, what should we write? Tan x by 2. So log mod root 3 plus t means tan x by 2 upon root 3 minus t means tan x by 2 plus c. Therefore, integral dx by 1 plus 2 cos x equal to 1 by root 3 log mod root 3 plus tan x by 2 by root 3 minus tan x by 2 plus. That is the end of solution. Clearly, second one also same model. We will proceed. Only thing is, given integral is going to be changed into terms of t only. Okay, let us see this. Integral dx upon 4 cos x minus 1. So that means this will become integral 1 by 4 times cos x can be written as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. I told you this simplification is common for every problem. So you need to write 2 dt by this, we can write 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So this will bring to the numerator 1 plus t square upon 4 times 1 minus t square minus of 1 plus t square, LCM 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This 2 gets cancelled. Integral 1 by 4 minus 4t square minus 1 minus t square 2 I am keeping out dt. Clear? Now 2 times integral 1 by 3 minus 5t square, right? 3 minus 5t square. Right. But as I told you, coefficient of t square always must be unity, so take 5 common, so we will get 3 by 5 minus t square dt, that equal to 2 by 5 times integral. This 3 by 5 can be written as 3 root of 3 by 5 whole square. It should be expressed as perfect square dt. So what is the form of this? Same formula. Integral 1 by a square minus x square means 1 by 2a log mod 1 by 2a. A means what we have here? Root of 3 by 5 log mod a plus x. So root 3 by root 5 a plus x t by root 3 by root 5 minus t plus c. Okay, so we can write 2 gets cancelled. 1 by this root 5 times root 5 3s are 15 log mod, this will be root 3 plus root 5, t means what? Tan x by 2 by root 3 minus root 5 tan x by 2 plus c. That is the final answer, right? So you can write therefore step, therefore answer is this. You should never forget to write therefore step, right? So hope it is clear. Thank you.